Hey, this is Susan with Voices for Learning, where we help you grow your voiceover business. In this video, I am going to give you a Fiverr tutorial for beginners and for more advanced Fiverr users like myself. I'm going to show you an easy way to set your vacation dates, or to set your availability, or to set, another way to say it is, or to set your out of office. So, Fiverr Friday, here we go. All right, so just go into Fiverr to set your availability dates. I think the quickest way to do it is just, if you're not here, just click on the little Fiverr logo up here in the upper left-hand corner. And then what you're going to do is just simply click on your name. Click on your profile name. It's a hyperlink. Just go ahead and click on it. And scroll down just a tiny little bit, and you will see right here over on the left-hand side, set availability. This is how you set your vacation dates, or how you set your out-of-office reply. So what you're going to do is just let your clients know when you are unavailable and when you will not be able to receive orders. So I'm doing this tutorial because I couldn't remember how to do this. I just forgot. I had to actually go and ask one of my Facebook groups how to do this, and then ask my seller success coach how to do this. So anyway, hopefully you won't have to do that. You can just watch this. But this is pretty self-explanatory. You just say you're unavailable from this date right here on the top to this date right here. And then you can go ahead and give them a reason why you're not available. So it's, I'm going on vacation, I'm overbooked, which has actually happened to me before, or other, whichever you want. And then you can actually do an out of office reply, like a little message. Now, I always say that, like, when it says optional in parentheses, it's not really optional. You do need to go ahead and put something in there. So my message was just, like, Merry Christmas. I'm currently unavailable, but please visit soon. I look forward to working with you. Happy New Year. So that's what I set for, like, my Christmas, New Year's vacation message. Now, this is something that you can opt to do. You can enable new buyers on Fiverr to contact you. I always just go ahead and check that, which just allows people who are brand new to Fiverr, or not even necessarily new to Fiverr, but new to you, to contact you and just send you a message. And of course, they see that you're not available. They see that you're not available. So they know they can't hire you, but they can still ask you questions for when you do get back and you are available. So I always check that box. You may not want to, because maybe you just want to be left alone, or maybe you're going to be at a space where you're not going to have access to your Fiverr account because of Wi-Fi connectivity or whatever. This is just up to you. But I do set my availability dates. Now, I'm just going to tell you that when you set your availability dates and you do go on vacation, your orders, when you come back, will drop off. They're not going to be smoking hot like they were before you went on vacation, which is always how it works. But they will, get back up eventually. And remember, if you are a top seller, if you're a top rated seller, you can always, pay money to get your search results higher. So, you may want to go ahead and do that. And, that's just another option. For me personally, I'm kind of glad to have the little bit of a reprieve and not be so crazy busy. So this is my second day back from vacation, and I've had 4 orders, and I'm really delighted to just have 4 orders. It's not going to hurt my sales one bit this year. I'm very happy to have that. But anyway, you do want to set your availability this way. Now, I always say this, we cannot do it alone. If you aren't already part of a group of other voice actors, you need to get into a group of other voice actors. There's a ton of Facebook groups out there, and in the description I have a link to a Facebook group that I think is wonderful, and it's called A VO's Journey. Click on that, join that Facebook group, And what you'll find are lots and lots and lots of other voice actors who are beginners, intermediate, advanced. You can ask questions, you can get encouragement, you can get great ideas, and of course, one thing always leads to another. So check out that link, and if this video was of value to you, then give me a thumbs up. Thanks so much. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye.